So today, meeting up with my buddy. I'm gonna go out. We're gonna go fishing. Try this out for once. See how this goes. Anyway, surprisingly, there's still a lot of traffic on the road for just before 5 in the morning on a Saturday. Watch them catch some fish and stuff like that. I'm gonna try and get some shots of it all, and just overall have a kind of nice day just to hang out and chill, get on the water. I do not understand people getting up this early in the morning for stuff. That's nuts. I mean, I do, I guess. I mean, you get more every day and stuff, but I mean, come on now. One of the perks of getting up this early in the morning, no traffic. I love that. All right, we made it. It's early.
It's not early.
Shut up.
It's the time normal people get up.
This is not the time normal people get. I call these people weirdos. Get up at 4 in the morning.
Yeah.
Do you know what time I went to bed at? 10 o'clock. Nope. Can't do that.
You see that? The cops pitting it up that way.
Ooh.
There's some activity.
Drama.
See, nothing good happens at this time other than fishing.
Yeah, no one does anything good at this time of morning. Like, look at it. Like, it's nighttime. I will say, though, the traffic getting here was fantastic. Only, like, or is it like a combination of only there was no traffic or only idiots on the road? So
This time there's a lot of cops up here on the road.
yes, I saw that too. I noticed that early too. Made it to the marina. Nick's rambling on about stuff.
Normal.
Yeah, normal.
He just talks.
I don't know what.
He's going to take a shit and he's taking off his sweater. Like, what is he, George Costanza?
Is he George Costanza? It's an excellent question. Got the sun coming up. Alright, let's go do this. There's the champions right there. I love that held on by rocks.
Casper loves you. You fucking